Welcome to Samoa! Welcome to Samoa! Choo! What's up, everyone? It's your fake girl, Sera.
Girl Levon. You got Revival.
Boy Bowen.
And today it is currently 7 o'clock and we're off for our morning walk. And today we're actually walking to
town.
Period. Yesterday we actually did not vlog, so we went to Yah's church. I'll insert a little clip here. If you don't know who Yah is, it is Levon's boyfriend. We went to his church to visit. It was such a blessed service. But we are going to go for this walk. But yeah, we're going to go for this walk. The weather is currently cool.
Walking in front of Maluafo College. Is this Kathy's old high school? What's it called? Maluafo. Make sure to text C2
to 111
and vote for
Miss Samoa Victoria.
Olivia Grace.
We are currently on our way to town and we've got the crew, morning crew, doing our daily walks. We currently arrived at what's the name of the road? Vitale Road. Anyone know where this is? comment below.
What's up guys, after our walk we actually had to go run some errands and do some pageant stuff, but now that all that is out of the way, which is here now, where are we going? Let's go. Sera's village, taking a
Okay guys, so I brought these guys to experience what we experience every time we come to Ngofuali'i, and I'm actually so grateful because they're so cute. They're not whamangaya to just experience it with me. They're so cute. Hello. So cute. Oh my gosh. Hi, Oko. What am I? Oh, Filipina. Olá, Kua. Auntie, what am I? Hello, oh no, funny. This is my grandpa, my great-grandpa, and my uncle. This is my ugly cousin. Okay, fam, so we are here right now at, what is this place called? Falemalo. And right next to it, there's like a market. They've got like this like beautiful outdoor market. They're selling clothes, food. They have rides here. And guys, we literally came stinky to this event, but we didn't want to go home to go get changed just to come back and miss it. So yeah, we've come like this stinky, but guys, everyone using Bowen's links now. Hi, Willie. Hi. Hello, so shy. Yeah. Okay, oh my god, guys. Oh, so close. It was really hard, guys. There's so many eyes.